and today I'm going to show you how to make a bookmark. So here are the things you'll need. You'll need some yarn, some clear tape or scotch tape, a piece of wrapping paper, a hole punch, and some scissors. Alright, so first you're going to get a piece of scotch tape. Now it's really important that it's the exact length of the bookmark that you want. So however long you want your bookmark to be is going to be the length of the tape. So then you're going to stick it on to the wrapping paper. Just stick it anywhere. Alright, so here's what you want to do. So you want to take the tape and you're going to peel it off. Now, you'll notice that the picture will come off with the tape. It might not happen very easily. Look, there's my thing. But just try your best. You know, just tear off the extra parts. And you can get your scissors here and cut any parts that are sticking out. Alright, there we have it. It's looking pretty good, right? Now, if you want it to be clearer, like clear as the picture, all you have to do is stick your piece of tape and then just cut around it. But I like it to do this way. So now you're going to take your bookmark and you're going to put it upside down like that, so that the picture is facing down. And you'll want to grab your clear tape. You're going to get another piece of another strand of clear tape and stick it right on top. There we go. Now you're going to cut off the ends. And there you go, your bookmark. But now we're going to make a tassel. So you get your hole puncher, and you're going to punch a hole in the top. Perfect. Now you're going to set that aside. You're going to get your string. Like my string, it's a pretty pink color. Even though my favorite color is blue, I still like pink. Technically it's magenta, but my string, goodness. Anyway, so you're going to get a long piece of string, like that. Not too long though. And you're going to strand it back and forth like this, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. So it kind of makes like a circular sort of shape. You're going to pinch it. Perfect. Now you're just going to cut the loops here with your scissors. Right there. Perfect. Now you're going to fold it in half and set it aside. You're going to get 2 more pieces of string, both shorter, like short like. You get it, like those. And you're going to take one, you're going to lie it down, and then lie your almost made tassel on top of it. Then you're going to tie it with this strand. It's almost done. Now, you're just going to tie a knot. You'll want to tie a double knot so none of the strands fall out. And I wouldn't recommend pulling on the strands either. Just kind of do that. Then you're going to cut them so they're all about the same length, so it looks nice. See, that's pretty. And then you're going to take your bookmark. Now it's time to attach your tassel to your bookmark. So take the other short string that you cut and stick one in through the hole. You're going to tie that to the bookmark. Now, after you tie it, you're going to tie the tassel to the other end of it. That way, the bookmark has a tassel and you have a bookmark. Anyway, and there you go, a bookmark with a tassel. Isn't that wonderful? And you can do whatever you want with it. You can put it in a book when you're done reading or give it as a gift. Alright, I hope you enjoyed today's video. And next time we'll be learning how to make a spinning top out of a DVD. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Goodbye!